we are now filming on the day that I just got back from my Tennessee trip. So if you watch the Tennessee vlog, I am back in Texas. So as soon as I got here, my husband Caleb got all of our camping gear together, loaded up the truck and the trailer, and we are going down to the Texas coast to go camp for the weekend. I'm so excited and also super surprised. So I'm 30 years old and this is gonna be my first camping trip I've ever been on in my entire life. So I am so excited. I can't wait to show you guys. Yay! We going camping?
Let's go do it.
You gonna go camping, P? Gonna go camping? You excited?
Oh yeah.
What are you making? We're already camping. We're at the local QT. Okay, we made it here at Bird Island. We got here really late. There was a ton of traffic coming out of San Antonio, but we just went on a 45-minute walk in the dark because Caleb is still doing the 75 hard. So we had to get a 45-minute walk out done in the dark. So now we're setting up camp quietly, and then we are going to have really late dinner, get all cozy in our sleeping bags, and then we'll kind of figure out what we're going to do in the morning. I'm excited to be here. It feels so good. It's like 55 degrees. There's a very light breeze, and it is a beautiful night. The stars are shining. I wish I could show you guys. All right, good night, guys. I'll talk to you in the morning. Come on, let's go. So this is Bird Island, and it's the little RV camp station. It is so cute. It's right on the bay. This is the bay right in here. And we're parked right over there. And it is the coziest little place. I'm so grateful Caleb found this. Okay, we're about to get into the bay. We have our kayaks over here and we got them all rigged up. We got our fishing gear going. I'm gonna put me and Polly in one, and then Caleb's gonna get in one on his own.
What we're gonna do is, this is actually the intercoastal waterway that leads, so Corpus is up this way, and then Baffin Bay is down this way. So if you're from Texas, you're probably familiar, have heard of it. But we're at Bird Island. The boat ramp is right over there. So we're gonna put in, and we're gonna paddle up into the wind as far as we feel like it. It's just scattered grass pockets. It's a really hard grassland right here. That kind of stuff is kind of scattered all through here. So we're not going to anchor down anything like that. We're just going to get out there, paddle as far as we can and kind of just drift fish, and let's go see what happens. So now the work begins.
What he said. There she is. You ready to go kayaking? Are you so excited? We have fish busting out right there. Look at him. The crane's like, I'm about to get him. We have some fish up here jumping up, so we're pretty hopeful that we're gonna actually cast and catch something. I'm so excited. This is my favorite type of fishing, is the saltwater bay fishing. I am so excited. It's beautiful out today.
So we paddled about a mile over here. Correction, I paddled about a mile over here. I got Natalie, I don't know if you can see it, but I got her kayak tied off to mine. We got a little dog out here, so I told her, don't worry, and she's eating some snacks I just got done eating. We hadn't fished at all, really. Just wanted to paddle upwind so we get further casts as we're drifting down the cut. The intercoastal waterway is on the other side of this island, right here. Yeah, I don't know if you look see in the video, but you can see one of the markers on the channel. And so, just gonna drift down through here. We saw a mullet jumping, ladyfish, that kind of stuff. So who knows? I don't know. I just saw one jump right then. But like I say, it's February. Water's really cold, so. We'll see what happens. We're just going to chunk and wind and take our time going back. Let the wind do the work and see if we can get a limit of fish. You ready to rock or what?
All right.
Let's do it. Polly's ready. She's going to catch one. She's going to catch a cracker is what she's going to do. We're kind of experiencing a little bit of what I anticipated. It's slow. You know, this time of year, it's not come out here and just whack them every cast. But usually if you do get a bite, it's worth getting. Nally just missed a pretty good bite a few minutes ago, so we're getting in some prime areas, so we'll keep chunking away here, and hopefully I've got some video here in a second for reeling a 32-inch bull red. So
that's right.
See what happens. She's ready.
Tying me on now.
It's a morning glory. It's those low light conditions. It's usually when we catch them, but this water is kind of tea stained, so I don't know. What we were doing wasn't working, so.
Which was what?
We were. That one, we use this one a lot. It's just pumpkin chartreuse tail.
Keep doing the pumpkin?
I think so.
And I'll do morning glory?
Let's see what happens.
We've been fishing out here for about, what, 30 minutes?
Yeah, 30 minutes.
It's beautiful. Look how beautiful the sky is today. And P's doing real good. She's hanging in there. Aren't you, girlfriend? Thank you, honey. Well, the fish whooped our tails today.
Yeah, bad.
It was a lot of fun and it was gorgeous today. A little bit of rain is coming in right now, and so we got off the water pretty quickly because it started getting so cold. This is February 1st and it got up to what, like 70?
Pretty close.
It was pretty close to 70, so it felt really good. I'm eating some Cheetos and Caleb made me a really good looking sub. There's nothing better than getting off the water and getting a sandwich with some chips and just relaxing afterwards. So I was hopeful that we were going to get some fish, but that's okay. We still had a really good time. Polly behaved really, really well, and she did good too. So now we're just relaxing and probably just, what do you think we're going to do?
Probably do a beach fire. That's why.
Probably go to a beach fire later, so that'll be fun. We'll set up some firewood and dig a little hole and have a fire for the evening. So that's probably what we're gonna do for the rest of the night, because it got pretty cold. When the sun went away, it got pretty cold. It probably went down another 10 degrees. So anyway, fish got us, but that's okay. Still had a good time. Do y'all hear that? There's an ice cream truck.
The song slaps.
Ice cream! Hello! What are you doing?
I'm sealing up the gas.
So evidently there was gas that fell right here. He had a lawnmower that was storing in here. And now we're just starting the conversion of making this a travel trailer. But it smelled so bad last night. And we decided, hey, we'll put some flooring down, aka trash bags. And
like a solid drone paint stuff.
It's hilarious. Yay! Thanks, honey. We won't die on this trip. We got our little flooring done.
It's looking a little better now. Polly likes it.
And Polly loves it. She doesn't care. She's with mom and dad, aren't you, P? She's a good girl. So we got our little camper going. Definitely going to build this out. We're going to put flooring in it. We're going to put some walls up. Make this back here a little kitchen and a little sink and mirror situation. But hey, the after is going to be pretty fun. So cozy. And then this is our view. So if I come and sit next to P on the bed, this is what we got to look at. This has been pretty cozy. It's a very, very sweet trip. What are those things called back there, Caleb? That boat?
It's a barge.
There's a barge. There they go. About this rainbow, guys. This is stunning. Look at this. We just came out here to the beach to have sunset and have a little bonfire, and the rainbow is right here on the beach. It's so beautiful. This is the most perfect night. Texas coast. I've had the best trip ever. Caleb has our fire put together, so we're gonna go sit by the fire and be cozy for the rest of the evening. But guys, let's give it up for God's creation. Are you kidding me? I just can't believe this is Texas coast as well. Yeah, have a feeling we're gonna be doing this a lot this season. You're the fireman.
Oh yeah. I've done a lot of barbecue in my life.
It's beautiful. Good morning. It is time for us to pack up, get everything adjusted, and head on home today.
Polly! Polly! Polly!
Oh my gosh. As you could see, we had to go and get Polly really quick because she decided to go run after the camping neighbors and say good morning herself. Oh my gosh. Anyways, we are just getting everything rolled up, packed up, and strapped down for our 4.5-hour drive home today. I honestly had the best time camping in the cargo trailer. Especially for my first time camping, I really have no complaints whatsoever. It was just as rugged and as exciting as I hoped for. We obviously have to get the inside built out soon, but for now, I'm really enjoying this camping style. But like I said, we are making sure everything is packed up and locked in now. This really didn't take us long at all to break down and store correctly, and it was a super simple and easy pack, so I'm not complaining about that either. It's time to hook up the truck, and we are going to be heading to the beach one last time. Okay, so that is it for my first camping trip here down at the Texas coast. We stayed at Bird Island, which is off of Padre Island. It is perfect, and it was so much fun. The people are sweet out here, super clean beaches. We had a blast. So we are wrapping it up. We're done. We just went on our 45-minute walk, and we went, what?
Mexican food.
Oh, okay. We just went on our 45-minute walk. We went shell hunting. This was so much fun. So now we are about to go get some authentic Mexican food down here at the coast.